DoubleDrummer is a 12-voice drum sound generator with 6 synthesis instruments, 6 sample player instruments, delay and reverb effects, and a master bus multi-effect unit. In this video, I will be using a BeatStep Pro to sequence the DoubleDrummer sounds. DoubleDrummer can store 128 kits. To change the active kit, press Load and use Encoder 6 to navigate through the available kits. Confirm your choice by pressing Load. Each instrument has up to 6 sound shaping parameters that you can access by pressing its corresponding button. Each instrument also has its own mixer settings with drive, beat crusher, pan, level and FX sound level. You access them by pressing the instrument button a second time. Each instrument has a setup parameter page where you can change the velocity sensitivity and the aux effects used by the instrument. You can access this page by pressing and holding the instrument button. Effects parameters can be accessed with the FX button. You can set up 4 FX parameter shortcuts per kit for use directly from the home page. This can be done by pressing and holding the FX button. The encoder switches are used as shortcuts to instrument level, pan, FX sound level and mute status for 6 instruments at the same time. Once you're happy with your changes in the kit, you can store it in memory by pressing Shift plus Save. Edit the kit name with encoders 1 and 2 and press Save when you're done. Thanks for watching.